Hey guys, Mr. Gregory here. Happy Monday. Hope you're having had a great weekend. It's been beautiful here. I hear there may be some rain coming up this week, but we've had gorgeous weather here. Had a great weekend with the family. Hope you're getting good time with your family. Today, the instructions are a little different. You don't have any reading. We're just reviewing for our timed essay tomorrow, which we're going to use to compare the death of Ivan Illich and the Metamorphosis. Couple key points about the directions. One, you definitely want to read the on-fire analysis to the right of the topics page. Make sure you read some of that because really good analysis from Friday. Your first question today that's going to help you review is about the ending. I had some people say, oh, it's a happy, hopeful ending. Other people said, ooh, it's a dark, creepy ending. And some people said, actually, it's a hopeful yet dark ending. So I really want you to take a second look at the ending. No matter what you said on Friday, I want you to read what your peers wrote. You're going to have to read several comments by a bunch of different peers. Find some people who disagreed with you, who said something different. And I want you to come back to that question about the ending. What's Kafka up to with this ending? What do you think about it? Take a second look. Try to go a little deeper. Think about what's going on there, how it might be a little more complicated than you thought at first, because the ending's really important. So think about that. I also want you to gather some quotes from Ivan Illich and from the Metamorphosis that you could use in your essay. Also grab some quotes from your peers, some good analysis from your peers that you could use. Then I want you to ask a question. Ask a question about these two novels, how they relate, that might help your peers see something new. Because we don't want an essay where you just compare the obvious. Oh, they both have families that are kind of mean to them. Okay, that's true. They both have main characters who have jobs they don't really like and they sort of support their family. Okay, that's true. So point that out, but let's move beyond the obvious. Let's move beyond the obvious similarities and differences. Look for some subtle nuances, ways in which the books are slightly different or slightly similar in a way that maybe other people haven't noticed. That's what you want to do, is point out something that nobody else has mentioned that you've thought of by looking at this. But again, it will help you to read some of your peers' writings there. Keep in mind that you're going to write this essay in OneNote, just like last time, like you did with Ivan Illich. Everybody was able to figure that out. I'll post the prompt there. You'll just write it. I don't want you to spend more than 45 minutes. Now, I'm not timing you. If you spend 6 hours on this, I can't stop you, but I'm only expecting 45 minutes, 700 words, assuming you do some prep on Monday. So do some good prep, and I'm giving you the prompt today, so a draft of the prompt. So look over the prompt today, read it over. If you have questions about it, if it's confusing, write that in your response for today, and I'll try to answer it. Now, if you write your response at midnight tonight, I'm not going to be able to answer it, or I should say midnight tomorrow. The earlier in the day you answer it, then I'll have a chance to answer your question. So go ahead and look at that. We're going to write the essay in class tomorrow. You'll do it in OneNote. And then Wednesday, we're going to look at some poetry from World War I. I'm hoping on Thursday to have a class discussion. So I'm hoping our only work on Thursday will be for you to show up for a class discussion. I'm hoping to have 3 different times. I think you've been doing this with Miss Hampton. 3 possible times. Probably have 2 during office hours and 1 at night. First come, first serve. When I send out a meeting request, you'll have to pick your choice, and I'll get you in groups, and we'll have a short 20, 30-minute discussion. That'll be it. And then we have a Headmaster's Holiday Friday, so you have another long weekend coming up. So this week's going to be short and sweet. Looking forward to it. Looking forward to these essays. I'm seeing some great analysis. If you have questions, come by office hours, send me an email, can video chat with you. Hope everything's going well, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.